Whenever you will get the transient, as I told, step number one, draw circuit, find another like one, two, another at t equal to the switch function, right? So greater than this. So before that, obviously, was connection one. That means 8 kilo connected, correct? 5, 5 kilo and 500 microfarad. Now the next step we have to see whether it's RL or RC. RC calculate voltage. If it's an RL circuit, calculate current. Now see how will we calculate VC of 0 minus resistor. But if we want to calculate IL of minus, we consider as a short circuit. Clear? Now in this we have capacitors. Have to make one circuit and always mind and over here. That would minus C of plus V naught, right? Equal to V. That would be 75 only, because as you can see that there is current across this 5 kilo as it's AB equal to V equal to 54. Understood? Now at t greater than, calculate as I told tau value. Tau is equal to R equivalent. That R is a kilo ohm. So I multiplied by 500, 500 minus, that would 5 ja 40 or minus, correct? Now again one more next step, step number 3 or 2, will have two cases, one for the charging, right, and another for the discharging. Have to whether it's charging, it's in charging. If it's in charging, equal to 1 minus power minus by tau, and if it's in discharging, voltage equal to not power minus by tau. Okay, yeah. Now next one, as we know, according to have calculated, right? Determine time capacitor volt become 25 volt. Ask, right? They have given, they we calculated tau, already calculated. Can we get time from here? I'm writing down the equation is equal to 1 minus power minus by tau. Correct? Because at they said obtain V of t for t greater than 0. Sorry, of t they said for t greater than, for t greater than 0. It's in charging condition. Tell me, have to take charging. That is equal to V raised to power e minus by tau. Correct? V not calculate 5 power minus by tau is voltage is, they have already 25 volt, right? Can we solve it further? That is, solve it like how? By 25 by 7 equal to power minus right? Further, we can take log, right? Log of 25 by 75, we can calculator. Log of e is equal to 1, then we'll get a simple value and then minus by 4. From here, the time, which should be in second. Got it?